In this video today, I learn how to set Facebook page username. Go to Facebook app. Click three dot lines. Click Settings and Privacy. Now click Settings. Now scroll down here. Click Page Setup. Now click Username. Now enter your preferred username here. I have done my thing. You will do yours. After giving your name, click Save. This is saved. Now go back from here. Before that, let me tell you that if you are a new viewer to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. Now again click Setup Page. Check my username is saved. To get little tips like this, subscribe to my channel now.